Hello, my dear students. I know that you all are safe at your home. The present situation, avoid going crowded places. Now I am here to teach you one lesson from your supplementary reader. Supplementary reader actually meant for reading alone. The lesson is Ivan tries an O level by Pauline Dexter. He was an English crime writer. The Pauline Dexter was an English crime writer. Ivan tries an O level is an interesting crime story depicting how a prisoner befools all the prison officers and escape from the prison under a well laid out plan. Listen, Ivan tries an O level is an interesting crime story depicting how a criminal or how a prisoner escape from the prison under a well laid out plan. Ivan tries an O level written by Pauline Dexter. He was an English crime writer. Ivan tries an O level is an interesting crime story depicting how a prisoner befools all the prison officers and escape from the prison under a well laid out plan. Before moving into the story, let's see the important characters in this lesson. This story is so confusing. All of you listen here well. Then the secretary of the examination board. The first one is the secretary of the examination board. Second one, the governor of prison. The governor of HM prison. Third one, James Roderick Evans. James Evans is the central character or protagonist in the story. Mr. Jackson, senior prison officer. Mr. Jackson, senior prison officer. Mr. Stephens, newly recruited prison officer. McClary, an invigilator. Mr. Carter, detective superintendent. Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. These are the important characters in this story. Then listen once more. Who are the important characters? Sumitra, can you say the important characters? The secretary of the examination board, the governor of the prison, James Evans, Mr. Jackson. Who is Mr. Jackson? Fayaz, who is Mr. Jackson? Prison officer, senior prison officer, Mr. Stephen, newly recruited prison officer, McClary, an invigilator, Mr. Carton, detective superintendent, Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. Then all of you listen here. It is early March when the story opens. The story opens in the early March. The governor of the Oxford prison telephones the secretary of the examination board with an unusual request. Listen to the first paragraph. One of the inmates, James Roderick Evans, wishes to appear for the O-level German examination. Listen, the beginning of the story itself, the governor of the prison telephoned the secretary of the examination board with an unusual request. Listen once more. The governor of the prison telephones the secretary of the examination board with an unusual request. Then what was the request? One of the prisoners, James Roderick Evans, the central character, wishes to appear an O-level German examination. Listen, the governor informs him that the secretary asks if the inmate is a violent sort of person. The secretary asked him, the secretary of the examination board asked him, the inmate is a violent sort of person. The governor of the prison replied that then there was no record against him. He is actually a loving person. But he was just a kleptomaniac. What do you mean by kleptomania? Kleptomania means a person who wishes to steal something from others without any reason. He was a kleptomaniac. He was being given night classes in O-level German in the prison. Then he was being given night classes. That means he was preparing for the examination. A tutor, the prison authorities already appointed a tutor for him to teach the German grammar. After discussing the details related to the exam, the secretary informs him that he would send one of the persons from St. Mary's Max to act as an invigilator. After discussing with this, the secretary of the examination board informed him that he is ready to send one priest from St. Mary's Max to act as an invigilator. Then all of you understand the introduction. The story is so confusing, so listen the well. Then it was in early March, the governor of HM prison telephoned the secretary of the examination board with an unusual request. Then what was that request? Then one of the prisoner, James Roderick Evans, wishes to appear on examination. The secretary of the examination board asked him if the inmate is a violent person. The governor of the prison informed him that there was no violent record against him. Then actually he was a kleptomaniac. Then after discussing all details, the secretary of the examination board informed the governor that he is ready to send a priest to the prison to act as an invigilator. What do you mean by invigilator? A person who supervises the candidates during examination. Then he is ready to send one invigilator ready to send a priest to act as an invigilator. Listen, Ivan is known as Ivan's the Brave among the prison officials because thrice he has escaped from the prison. Ivan is known as Ivan's the Brave. Then very important, Ivan is known as Ivan's the Brave because he has escaped from the prison 3 times. Then on 7th June at 8:30 p.m. his German tutor wishes him good luck for the exam. On 7th June, these days and dates, day and dates are very important. Listen, on 7th June at 8:30 p.m. his German tutor wishes him good luck for the exam for the following day. He expresses his concern that Ivan has hardly any chance of getting through. He also expressed his concern that then there may not be any chance for getting the examination. That means Ivan is not at all good in his studies. He expresses his concern that Ivan has hardly any chance of, that means there is no chance of passing the examination. At 8:30 a.m. on 8th June, on 8th June, the examination date 8th June, on 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. What happens on 8:30 a.m.? 8:30 a.m. on 8th June, 2 prison officers, senior prison officer Jackson and new recruit officer Stephen visit Ivan. Then on the date of examination, on 8th June, 8:30 a.m., the prison officers Jackson and Mr. Stephen and Mr. Jackson visited Evans in the prison cell. Jackson mocks Evans by calling him Einstein. Jackson mocks Evans by calling him Einstein. Ivan has not shaven. He is given time to smarten himself up. Then he is given time. They have given time for smarten himself. Jackson told Stephens to take away the razor after Evans has shaved. Then Jackson told Stephen to take away the razor after shaving. Jackson feels disgusted at the dirty bobble hat of Evans and asks him to take it off. Then Ivan had a hat. Jackson told him to remove the hat, but Ivan said that Ivan insists that the hat is his good luck charm and he is going to need it for the exam. Then Ivan is not ready to remove the hat because Ivan considered it as his good luck. Ivan knows that Jackson holds some compassion for him. Then Ivan knows that Jackson loves him very much. The governor of the prison has made sure that all precautions are taken to avoid a prison break. They have taken all precautions to avoid a prison break. Ivan's nail scissors and file are taken away from him. His prison cell is fitted with a listening device. They fixed a listening device in the prison cell and the governor's and the receiver being in the governor's room. They already fitted a listening device in the prison cell and the governor's room. Then whatever happens in the Ivan's cell, the governor can easily identify. So they fixed a listening device. At 8:45 the same morning, the invigilator appointed for the examination, Reverend Stuart McClary, started for the prison. Then at 8:45 p.m. again 8:45 p.m. Stuart McClary, the invigilator came there. It was whistling outside. He was carrying a small brown suitcase which contained all the items needed for the examination. Then he was carrying a brown suitcase which contain all the items needed for the examination. What are the things inside the inside the brown suitcase? Listen, very important. What are the items? Sealed question paper, envelope, yellow invigilation form, a special authentication card from the examination board, a paper knife, a Bible, and a current copy of the Church Times. Meenakshi, listen, what are the things? A sealed question paper envelope, a yellow invigilation form, a special authentication card from the examination board, a paper knife, a Bible, a current copy of the Church Times. The 2-hour examination was scheduled to start at 9:15 a.m. The 2-hour examination was scheduled to start at 9:15 a.m. 9:15 a.m. Ivan is getting ready when Stephen comes in with 2 small square tables and sets them opposite each other. Then Ivan is getting ready for the examination. Stephen arranged 2 tables just opposite each other. Then he also brought 2 chairs. Jackson comes in and wants Evans to behave. Then Jackson came there and informed Evans to behave well. Evans asked him why he is being bugged in the cell. Jackson replies that no man in his senses would take any chance with Evans. Then Evans asked him why you are always here. Jackson replied that no man in his senses would take any chance with Evans. Then he further informed him that the governor did not trust him at all and would be listening to each and everything going on in the cell. Then Jackson told him that we have already fixed the listening device, the receiver in governor's room. Whatever happens, the governor can easily understand. So you should behave well. The examination, Reverend Stuart McClary, who is the invigilator, makes his entry into the prison and is taken to Ivan's cell, where Ivan is concentrating hard to a book of elementary German grammar. The McClary went to Ivan's cell. Then when he reached there, Ivan was concentrating hard on the book of elementary German grammar. At 9:10 a.m., the governor switches on the receiver. At 9:10 a.m., the governor switches on the receiver. He knows in his heart of hearts that all these precautions were not enough. He believed that Ivan was as safe as house. That means they have taken all the precautions for it. Suddenly, he decided to tell his officers to search McClary. Then the governor asked the officers to search McClary once more. McClary's suitcase is searched again. The presence of the small semi-inflated rubber. They have already searched the suitcase. And what are the things they have noted? Sealed question paper, authentication card, paper knife, Bible. Then they checked the briefcase once more. They identified that there is one rubber ring that surprises the officers. But they are courteously informed that McClary is suffering from piles and the rubber ring helps him to sitting in a particular position for a long time. Then actually they were really surprised when they see the rubber ring, but McClary informed him that then he is suffering from piles and the rubber ring helps him to sitting in a particular position for a long time. The officers will satisfied with the answer and the invigilator is allowed to go into the cell. McClary gives necessary instructions to the candidate regarding writing down the purpose name. McClary has given information about everything to Evans. Question paper's name 0211, index number 313 and the sender number 271. These things are very important. He passed all this information to Ivan. Stephen is in the cell until now, but Ivan does not like his presence. Then Stephen is always standing there, but Ivan did not like his presence. Stephen is standing while the examination is going on. The Stephen newly recruit officer, then he is standing there, but Ivan did not like this. The governor asked Jackson to call him out. The governor asked Jackson to call Stephen out. Finally, the examination begins at 9:25 a.m. At 9:40, the examination started at 9:25 a.m. At 9:40 a.m., the Assistant Secretary for Modern Language informs the governor over about the correction slip not being put in the examination package. The examination started, but the governor got a telephone call from the Assistant Secretary for Modern Language, informs that they did not keep the correction slip in the examination package. The governor takes all necessary precautions, and Ivan is told about the corrections on page 3, line 15 by the invigilator. As per the instruction given by the Assistant Secretary of Modern Language, the governor passed the information to Evans about the correction. The correction is about on page 3, line 15 by the invigilator. The governor also knew some German and was confident that McGlary understood everything. The governor also knew some German and was confident that McGlary understood everything. But he had some doubts about Evans. Because he has already escaped from prison 3 times. For the first quarter of an hour, Stephen had dutifully checked on Evans through the peephole. Then Stephen, the newly recruited prison officer, was watching through the peephole. He saw Evans with his pen between his lips staring at the door. Then while he was watching, he noticed that Evans was keeping his pen between his lips and staring at the door. Then at 10:50 a.m. Ivan requested for a blanket. At 10:50 a.m. Ivan requested for a blanket. When Stephen peeped in next, he was surprised to find a blanket around Evans. He thought that perhaps the prison cell got cold in that wing, so he did not report the slight irregularity. Then when Stephen peeped through the hole next time, he noticed that Ivan covered his body with a blanket. He thought that the prison cell got cold in that wing, so he did not report this slight irregularity. Okay, all of you understand the first part of the lesson? Listen, this story Ivan tries an O-level examination written by Colin Dexter. He was an English crime writer. The Ivan tries an O-level is an interesting crime story depicting how a prisoner befools all the prison officers and escapes from the prison under a well laid out plan. Then who are the important characters? Listen, the Secretary of the Examination Board, the Governor of Prison, James Evans, Mr. Jackson, Mr. Stephen, McGlary, Mr. Carter and Mr. Bell. In the beginning, the story opens in the early March. In the beginning of the story itself, the Governor of the prison telephoned the Secretary of the Examination Board with an unusual request. And what was that request? Then the request, unusual request. One of the prisoners, James Roderick Ivan, wishes to write German O-level examination. The Secretary of the Examination Board asked the Governor about Evans. The Governor told him that he was a loving person but kleptomaniac. So the Secretary agreed that he was ready to send one priest from St. Mary's Mass to act as an invigilator. Then what was the name of the invigilator? McGlary. The next day, McGlary came with a brown suitcase. They searched the suitcase. They got the sealed question paper, a paper knife, and a copy of the church times and etc. In addition to this, they got a rubber ring. At first, they were really surprised. But McGlary told them that he was suffering from piles. So, this rubber ring helped him to sit in a particular position. Then they were satisfied with the answer. The examination started. While the examination was going on, the Stephen, the newly recruited prison officer, then he was watching through a hole. At first, he noticed that Ivan was thinking. Then he was keeping his pen between his lips and staring at the door. Then at 10:50 a.m., he asked a blanket. When the next time Stephen peeped through the hole, he noticed that Ivan covered her body with a blanket. Then he thought that Ivan asked blanket due to cold. So he did not report this matter seriously. Okay, all of you understand? Do one thing, all of you read this lesson several times. I will send you the notes from Google Classroom. Thank you all.